There's the style there.
Yeah, right here, show us, so
Bad man. Bad man all the time.
let's get big.
If you had to depend on this man here for food, you would have starved by.
Oh.
You.
Man, it's not strike one, mate.
One would have feed all of it.
Meanwhile, I think I would have seen it.
Yeah, no,
We come in next year just to get the just the man passing. Yeah, just wait for the red or I'm gonna drink now. Another roll bait you hook for you. You may catch one more.
Quick water boy. Best ingredient.
You hiding? Every week that I make from.
You just pick
yeah, tay. Come on.
Pepper, good. Good. We don't need trav. Well, it's night time, still fishing. Cook up on the stove. I don't think we can catch anything more than this. But we having cook up chicken and the fish we caught today. Just preparing it right now. Here's a look at what's going on the cooking side of things. Boy! What's sweet there, boy? What's sweet there? Oh, the one more brown now we on.
Cause this is
Oh,
a
they
real
own
bush,
more
man.
brown now, we own. What going on here, man?
My seasoning, I like my peas.
What the seasoning we have to get
One
to get
tin
we
of
cook up
peas
so
is buy
brown?
buy.
1 tin of peas.
Is the peas in make it brown?
Yeah, we get chicken, we get bell pepper.
Oh. We got enough chicken more than them though. No chicken? Chicken. This brown?
We got it wrong, we got it wrong.
That's it.
They put pepper by it?
Yeah, they put, I don't know, maybe 2. Alright, if you see that, no problem. We got the ham pepper
I
sauce.
think I don't show one with the first.
Yeah, but it ain't cook yet. Yeah, you want me like a ketchup to now happen, buddy?
You
Just,
can use this thing
just
limited.
serious client buy. Traveling way there, buy.
No shame, you know. Did you cook it? Really, man, cook up.
You can play shame and get dark eye.
Nah, can you look more back?
You're a serious man in the night time, you know. Can't get dark eye in the night time.
What?
Over there, yeah, buddy. That is it. Oh, wow. Lovely. Traveling? Alright. Time to eat.